So it's a bit odd and weird to say, but there is money to be made by just simply telling the truth when you do product reviews. As you know, here on the channel, when you watch the product reviews that I do, I tell the truth. I show you the product. I talk about the vendor, how the vendor supports their product based upon the history of the support of their other products, as well as based on my opinion, as well as simple facts of things that I've seen after I purchase products or I get review access. Now, this is following a very specific model called launch jacking, but it is actually more than that. It is launch jacking with a set ethos, understanding and knowing what you stand for before you start reviewing a product. Now, the idea of reviewing a product, in my opinion, is actually showing you the product and what it does. Therefore, telling you the truth about the product and giving you my opinion. Again, based on the facts of what I've done in the past, what I've looked at, the products I purchased, and the idea of just simply being truthful. Does the product work? Does the vendor have a history of supporting the product? And again, this is around a very specific strategy of launch jacking to go after traffic that is built around the buzz of this product being launched. That's when I come here on the channel and do the review. Lots of times I do product reviews on evergreen products as well that aren't on some of the marketplaces. And those marketplaces are generally listed over at Muncheye, and you can see the list of launches here. Of course, these typically are on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And that's not to say anything bad about JVZoo or Warrior Plus. As you can see here on the screen, I use Warrior Plus. I make money from Warrior Plus. But I make money from Warrior Plus telling the truth about products that I believe in, products that I use, products that I know work, or from vendors that I have established a relationship with, either as an affiliate and or a customer, and know that they support their products. That's what I'm saying here. There's money to be made in product reviews, specifically product reviews in the IM Make Money Online space, even on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and over at ClickBank as well. But you have to establish an ethos. You have to know what you stand for, and then you have to simply stand for it. So over at my YouTube channel, you can see here inside my dashboard, and I'll just show you my analytics here, and understand that to do this takes time to build up a channel and to actually get monetized. There's certain requirements, but once you do get monetized, you can see the estimated revenue here over the last 28 days. Then if I was to move up and filter this and show you the statistics for 2021, you can see so far this year, of course, this is August 11th, 2021, I've made $6,315.30 from YouTube AdSense revenue. And again, that comes from reviewing products, but all my content is not specifically about reviewing products. I also provide value in some of the videos here on the channel, and my hope and my intent is to make sure that those videos are as valuable as possible to teach you the things that I do as an affiliate marketer as well as a vendor. 30-Minute Marketing, the channel, is branded around understanding and learning marketing and how to focus and where to focus, and the simple idea of being focused at all times on the task at hand, whether you're being an affiliate marketer or you are setting off to be a vendor to sell your own products. No matter the niche, that's what this channel is going to grow and be about. But at this point in time, I do a lot of product reviews simply because there is money to be made in telling truth about these specific set of products that I review here on the channel that I know drive traffic. And simply, I just believe and I feel that telling the truth is the right thing to do about those products. And at the end of the day, I make money doing that. As well, if you look here inside of my email autoresponder, I'm able to generate leads that I add to my email list, and I follow up with those leads. And I'm doing that currently at about 4 emails per day, or 4 people that sign up to my email list that you can see right here that are interested in what it is I have to say based on the content, the truth that I'm telling about those products, as well as the valuable content that helps show them what it is I'm doing and how I'm doing it, like building squeeze pages and videos like this, where I'm telling people about standing for something or doing the right thing, looking at the product, actually reviewing the product, and evaluating the product based upon either the review access or after you purchase it. Does the tool work? If it's software, does the strategy work? If it's training, or if it's a combination of both? And what does the vendor stand for? And do they have a good track record of support and generally just making good, valuable products? And speaking of telling the truth, I want to bring attention to something I started with my buddy Ken Furukawa over at Ken Furukawa Marketing, and that's called the Affiliate Files, the truth about making money online. There'll be a link in the description. It'll take you over to the website. This is a podcast that I started with Ken, who has a channel, Ken Furukawa Marketing. There'll be a link in the description for his channel as well. He has the same ethos. He believes in telling the truth, and he makes money from doing that. So we talk about that on the podcast. And this is really, in this video, what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to share with you this idea of simply telling the truth when you do product reviews. Also for you to know and understand what it is I'm doing, why I do it, and also to let you know that if you're interested in doing this kind of work, if you want to jump into the make money online space and do these types of reviews, I have a recommendation for the training that I follow that establishes the ethos, again, around this strategy of launch jacking, where we go to muncheye.com, we find products. It's not the only place we find products, but typically you can go there and you can see a list of products because there's products being launched every day, multiple products actually. And the idea here is to generate traffic and revenue and leads based upon simply telling the truth. And that's what I wanted to do here today. Establish the simple fact of what it is I do, show you what I do, how it works, show you a little bit inside or behind the scenes of my YouTube channel, and the fact that it simply does make money. And some of that money comes from ads or AdSense revenue here on YouTube. But I also generate money, like I showed you, over on Warrior Plus by promoting real products. I'm also a vendor on Warrior Plus where I sell my own products. And I do videos here that show you how to do that as a vendor and as an affiliate, and also just generally speak about affiliate marketing in general. But the point here and what I want to do when I wrap up this video, because this video is going to be wrapped up real soon, because you can see here on the screen, this is how to generate thousands of free visitors and turn them into raving fans without lying or selling misleading products. The link is in the description and the pinned first comment. It's going to have this headline. It's going to let you know that there's a free web class. This is beginner friendly. You can uncover the truth that I talk about, the truth in the reviews that I do here on the channel. Link in the description. It'll take you over to this page. This is called the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. This is the strategy as well as the ethos or the framework of the ethos. The framework and the guiding principle, Advanced Traffic Blueprint, you can see what's going to be covered. Secrets 1, 2, and 3. And those secrets are going to be revealed to you by Philip Bowerman, the creator of Taking Action Online and the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, and my #1 recommendation around getting into the IM Make Money On space if you want to do real reviews and not just promote blindly every product and come up with these nonsense videos about $10,000 worth of bonuses, and really evaluate products based upon your own history, based upon your own knowledge, based upon your own research, based upon what you've learned if you purchased these products in the past. Actually review them, show if they work, talk about the strategy, talk about if the strategy is worth spending money on, if it's something you can buy for free. Again, if the vendor can be trusted or not trusted based upon their track record. All that is here inside of the Advanced Traffic Blueprint based upon Philip Bowerman's history of reviewing these products, based upon my history of reviewing these products, based upon Ken Furukawa over at Ken Furukawa Marketing's history. The fact that we came together to create the affiliate files, again, link in the description for that podcast, check it out. But the main focus of this is telling the truth and making money. It is possible. It can be done. It's not as hard as you think. It is actually quite simple. It's even easy once you learn how to do it and you get into the flow, but it does take a little bit of work to establish the authority, to establish the routine, and to establish your channel. Again, if you want to start earning AdSense and you want to start promoting products that are good over on Warrior Plus, because they do exist. Anyway, that is the point of this video. Link in the description. Check out this free web class. Learn the truth, understand the strategy, watch this webinar. My #1 recommendation for doing what I do here on my channel when you watch my reviews. Link in the description. Check it out. Any questions, hit me up in the comments, and I'll talk to you later.